Itineraries. Rome is not to be missed. Italy's capital city is a globally renowned cultural and historical powerhouse, boasting everything from ancient ruins and tranquil parks to Michelin-starred restaurants. Here you'll find the most important relic from the Roman Empire, the Colosseum. Some of Michelangelo's greatest works in the Sistine Chapel, an 18th century Baroque style fountain, the Trevi Fountain, and of course the center of Catholicism, Vatican City. Other can't miss tourist attractions in the Eternal City include the Pantheon, the Roman Forum, and St. Peter Basilica. Florence woos travelers with old-world avenues leading to lovely pizzas big and small. While you're soaking up the splendor, make sure to stop by the Piazza del Duomo, where the breathtaking Santa Maria del Fiore Cathedral is located, and the romantic Ponte Vecchio, a 14th century bridge overlooking the Amo River, once central to the Renaissance movement. Florence also offers art aficionados the opportunity to see famous pieces by Michelangelo and the other iconic artists. Venice. There are few destinations in the world that are quite like Venice. Its uniqueness can be largely attributed to the canals that run through this northern Italian city, like roads, carrying water taxis and buses in addition to its fleet of famous gondolas, such as there is a palpable bustle here that may surprise some first-timers. For a relaxing Venice vacation, seek out the smaller streets and canals away from the busy Grand Canals and St. Mark's Square. Just be sure to stroll across Rialto's Bridge and tour the Grand St. Mark's Basilica at least once. The second largest city is best known for its high fashion, playing host to Milan Fashion Week each year and home to iconic fashion houses including Giorgio Armani, Prada, and Versace. Visitors can pursue high-end brands at dazzling Galleria Vittorio Emanuele Shopping Arcade. But Milan's architecture, including the Gothic Milan Cathedral and Gran Teatro alla Scala Opera House, and sites like Castello Forzesco, which hold nearly 10 museums and several other exhibitions, are worth a visit on their own. What more, the city is incredible, walkable, so feel free to explore on foot with or without designer stilettos.